All right, it is Friday, February 21st, and we are currently in the market while it's open. As you can see, we're focused on this really long red candle right here. We had some economic news come out a little bit before 10 a.m. today. The services and manufacturing reports came out today, and apparently they weren't that great. And so we have shot all the way down. We're around 60, we're a little under 602 right now. And so this does make sense with it hitting all time highs and it coming down. I am wanting to see, or I'm looking forward to see how the price will react when it hits this gap right here. It did just obliterate this gap here, so I can just remove this, and it's it's a down day so far. So we'll it's 1:30 right now, and we'll see how the market shakes up at close. But right now, markets are down and headed to this gap here. All right. I'll see you all back on Monday. Follow for daily updates on SPY. Thanks for watching, and trade responsibly.